Join me as I dive into the fascinating history and treasures of Africa before colonialism and challenge everything we thought we knew about our ancestors with insights from a top historian. Let's take one of the greatest African countries, Ghana. Ghanaian ancestors have always been a topic of intrigue and reverence, with their stories passed down through generations. They are a crucial part of Ghanaian heritage, shaping the country's identity and cultural practices. Understanding their history is key to grasping the complexities of Ghanaian society today. Many of us have grown up learning about the great empires of Ghana, like the Ghana Empire, which was a powerful and influential force in West Africa. However, when it comes to the everyday lives of our ancestors, there's often a gap in our knowledge. We might not know much about their daily struggles, achievements, and contributions to society. Common misconceptions about Ghanaian history often stem from a lack of detailed records and the reliance on oral traditions, which can sometimes be inconsistent or biased. This makes it challenging to separate fact from myth. Additionally, the influence of external factors such as colonialism has complicated our understanding of Ghanaian history, leading to a skewed perspective that doesn't fully represent the ancestors' experiences. The Eurocentric view of history has also played a role in distorting our understanding of Ghanaian and African history as a whole. By often portraying Africa through the lens of colonial achievements, we overlook the rich, complex societies that existed long before external influences. This imbalance is something historians are continually working to correct. Delving into the historian's research, it's clear that there's been a concerted effort to uncover and document the lives of African ancestors with greater accuracy. Let's take one of the great African countries, Ghana. Through archaeological findings, detailed analysis of oral traditions, and a critical review of existing historical records, a more nuanced picture emerges. For instance, recent studies have highlighted the sophisticated agricultural practices of ancient Ghanaian communities, which allowed for thriving economies and population growth. One specific example from the historian's research is the discovery of advanced irrigation systems used by ancient Ghanaian farmers. These systems enabled them to cultivate crops in areas that would otherwise have been unsuitable for farming, showcasing their ingenuity and adaptability. Such findings challenge the simplistic view of our ancestors as merely primitive or unsophisticated. The historian's work also sheds light on the complex social structures of ancient Ghanaian societies. Contrary to the common portrayal of these societies as strictly hierarchical, there is evidence of more fluid social mobility and a significant degree of gender equality in certain contexts. These insights fundamentally alter our perception of Ghanaian ancestors, portraying them as dynamic and multifaceted individuals. Highlighting the most shocking or revealing insight from the historian, it's remarkable to consider the extent of the Ghana Empire's influence. The historian's research indicates that the empire's reach and impact were much broader than previously acknowledged, with trade networks extending far into North Africa and Europe. This not only underscores the sophistication of Ghanaian ancestors, but also their significant contribution to global history. This revelation challenges the narrative that Ghanaian history is isolated from the broader currents of world history. Instead, it positions Ghana as a pivotal player in the medieval global economy and cultural exchange. The implications of this are profound, suggesting that our understanding of global history needs to be revised to more accurately reflect the contributions of African societies. The historian's work doesn't just stop at revealing the past, it also has profound implications for the present. By recontextualizing Ghanaian history, we can better understand the contemporary challenges and opportunities facing Ghana and similar nations. It encourages a more informed and nuanced discussion about identity, cultural heritage, and national development. In summary, the historian's insights offer a transformative perspective on Ghanaian ancestors, challenging common misconceptions and enriching our understanding of Ghanaian history. As we reflect on these revelations, it's clear that there's much more to Ghanaian ancestors than we previously knew. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these historical insights. Please comment below with your reflections. If you're interested in more historical explorations and revelations, consider subscribing to Echoes of Africa Global for a deeper dive into